I'm at the eye doctor because I think I'm gonna get LASIK, and I just had my eyes dilated for the first time. Do they look so weird? And I just got super nervous about getting LASIK. So if you have had LASIK, please let me know. Let me know what your experience was like. I haven't been that nervous, and then I was just sitting here, I'm like, oh, I'm so scared. But everything that I've heard has been good, so hopefully. Anyways, I hope you're all having a good day. What the heck are you playing? What are you playing?
I'm not playing anything yet.
Hi. I'm gonna pause this really quick. I just got back from my eye appointment and I cannot see. Gage just had to help me finish uploading a video because I could not tell what I was typing. This is so weird. I've never had my eyes dilated before because when I first went to the eye doctor, I was pregnant with Layla. And then after that I was nursing, so they didn't dilate my eyes. And then last time I just went not too long ago, I did something like use some type of machine instead of having my eyes dilated. So somehow I've avoided this because it doesn't hurt or anything, but it is frustrating to not be able to see. So he said it might last until tomorrow. I think I might just go to bed. I think I might just go to sleep. Is that fine?
I want you to turn on the laptop for me.
You want me to turn on the laptop for you?
So you can watch and after I snuggle with you.
You're gonna snuggle with me? That sounds great. Today's kind of a gloomy day, and that's nice, but it has made me really sleepy. And then after I got my eyes dilated, I don't know if it was because I just had to kind of chill for a little bit. So I got so tired sitting there.
Chill out a little bit.
Yeah, chill out a little
I
bit.
can feel belly.
You can? Gage is home and Casey's home, so that's been great.
Yeah.
Our family's back together.
Yeah, we're back together.
You like that? Okay, I'm warming up some soup to eat. Wait,
I want soup.
you want some soup?
Yeah.
Okay. Last night I made taco soup, and the kids ate. Everyone ate except for Layla because she was asleep. And I was out cleaning off our back porch or patio. Anyways, and she came out after she woke up and had some soup, and she came out and said, "That was really good soup, Mom." And it made me so happy. I felt so appreciated. Thank you, Layla.
It's so super good.
It was just super good. Taco soup is super good. Hey everyone, it's the next day. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Do I want to go outside? Yes. My eyes are still dilated and my head hurts a little bit. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but it freaks me out every time I look in the mirror. I also have frownies on. I've been taping my face. Casey loves it, right?
Frownies?
Casey said, "You look like you're just like," I kind of feel like that. That's what it's supposed to do. So it's supposed to just like, it kind of creates a cast on your forehead to just like help prevent wrinkles while you're sleeping. On Instagram, I posted a picture with me and Gage, and I was taping my head with just some like, what is it called? Like fitness tape. But then I saw these and I thought I would just give them a try because I think that they have more like product and different things. Anyways, it just like forms a cast. I mean, acting like Botox would. Botox freezes those muscles, and this is supposed to just kind of like freeze those muscles so that you can't show expression while you're sleeping. And I like to put them on in the evenings so that when I'm watching TV, I'm always like watching different shows that are like intense and I'm like really into it and I don't realize that I'm like scrunching my face. So it just prevents that from happening. Honestly, I haven't seen a huge change in my skin. But I will keep you guys posted. I do notice like when I take it off, my forehead is very like smooth and my wrinkles aren't there. But throughout the day, obviously with expression and stuff, they come back. But I did see that over time, these are supposed to help. Something that I did notice, I use my eyebrows a lot when I talk. And I've noticed that I have straightened them like just these muscles here, I think, rather than using my forehead so much. So that's good. When I posted that picture on Instagram, I had a few people in the comments say like, it's okay if you have wrinkles. It's okay to age. It's okay to do those things. Change your laundry first so I can wash. I'm washing the cushions for the patio. And I agree. Like, wrinkles are beautiful. Aging is such a beautiful gift that we're given. And it's not that I hate having wrinkles or I hate that I'm getting older. I just think like things like this is a great way to just help strengthen other muscles in your face, to help prevent wrinkles, to help, you know, to help with that. I don't think that it's bad to have wrinkles, and I don't think that, you know, I don't think it's bad if you want to get Botox and not have wrinkles. I think whatever you feel comfortable doing, you should do. This just feels like part of my skincare routine. Regardless of what we do, I know I'm still aging and I'm okay with that. I know I'm still getting more wrinkles and that's okay too. I'm just, you know, taping my face to help prevent some of that. And I do, like I said, feel like it's strengthening other muscles, which I appreciate. I use my face a lot when I talk. What are we making?
Some pancakes.
Pancakes with sprinkles have been nonstop here. I talked about the Funfetti pancake mix that I bought. We've just been using this because I had a bunch of it and putting sprinkles in it. So that's what you can do if you want some Funfetti pancakes.
Yeah.
Nice job mixing. I think that looks fantastic. Today we did bigger ones. They're stars, so we'll see how they turn out. But oh, yeah, you can't really see them. That kind of looks gross, but you can see them when you make it. I want to know what's all over your face. You're looking a little glossy.
Because I mixed my glittery stuff with my glittery lip gloss.
Oh, and then just put it all over your face.
Yeah.
We're gonna need to scrub this face. Gross.
Guys, it's like the coolest thing I've ever done in my entire life.
The coolest. Let's see it.
Just like, bang.
Whoa.
magician
You got
with
some
my
mad skills.
It's like my wand. I'm like a magician.
Oh, did we talk about this shirt? When will these be released? Soonish. Gage designed this.
Yeah, it
How cool is that? I love it. I love it. You did a good job.
Thanks.
You're quite the artiste, I must say. High five, yes. Okay, we have some pancakes cooking. You want some pancakes?
We have some pancakes.
Cooking.
Okay, they just wanted to show us her back real quick. Good job, sweetie. High five. Boom.
Hey guys, it's day 3 of this vlog, and it's been over 48 hours since I had my eyes dilated for my eye checkup, and they're just barely starting to go down. They're still, like, my pupils are still much bigger than they normally are, but they were dilated and so big all day yesterday and into today. So after a little while yesterday, I had the worst headache. It felt like so much pressure, you know? Anyways, drama with the eyes, drama with the pupils, but we're just having some dinner. I've talked about, like,
That's spicy.
dinner a lot. Yeah, they're spicy. Do you like it though?
Yeah.
Super easy recipe. So I wanted to show you guys. This is shrimp. If you don't like shrimp and it grosses you out to even see it, look away. If you love shrimp, this is so easy. So I just took some shrimp. Still has the tails on.
It grosses people out to see shrimp.
I don't know. I think just like, yeah, if you hate shrimp, it's like, bleh. Anyways, just shrimp from Costco. And I put some olive oil, onion powder, Cajun seasoning, garlic, minced garlic, garlic salt, and black pepper. And just mix that up. And then you just put it in the air fryer. I love shrimp in the air fryer. So super easy.
Look how pretty the sunset
I know the sunset is so beautiful. Put it in the air fryer on 400 and just keep checking it. Like, check it every like 4 minutes, and you need to flip it and make sure that it's like cooking on both sides, and you know, super easy dinner idea for you guys. And then I didn't, someone did. And then roasted some broccoli. I talked about this the other day, just cooking this on broil, and some rice. So let's see if we can see the sunset. Oh, it's about gone. It's so beautiful. And I have something to say about this. Of course it's not as beautiful on camera because that's just how it goes, but that does look really beautiful. I saw this like quote or something the other day that said, you know how when you take a picture of the sunset, it's never as beautiful? You know, like when you try to take a picture of the sunset and it just isn't what you see in real life. The colors aren't as vibrant, it just isn't as beautiful. Remember that the next time you're picking yourself apart in a photo of yourself.
Yeah.
I really liked that. You're beautiful and you're important. And don't do that anymore. Anyways, I liked that. Did that make sense how I explained it? Yeah, I just like that. I can't remember. I saw a few people post it actually because it's a good one. So spicy. The Cajun seasoning is spicy.
Holy, I kind of want to do that shit. It's so hot.
Nuh-uh. That's why you have rice.
Rice is for disgustingness.
Oh yeah, Braylee doesn't like rice because it reminds her of something disgusting.
Little-
Don't say, that's so gross.
Except
and that's
I
gonna
like
make
rice.
other people think of it.
Well, maybe it's just that people don't like
Why'd you just flop your old broccoli on that?
I also don't like broccoli.
Oh, I made some chicken patties. Do you want some?
I'm good.
I was worried that this would be a little too spicy for the kids, and Layla didn't want it, so eat some chicken also. Anyways, not a lot going on around here.
Summer's almost over.
Summer is not almost over.
That's what I keep saying. It's really making me
Why are you
sad.
seeing the glass half empty? There's so much summer to be.
There's only half. I guess we're only really halfway done.
Huh? Yeah, but there's still a
Halfway
lot
done.
of summer left.
Well,
Like,
it's good that we're only halfway done because I think the beginning has
Yeah.
been pretty good.
yeah. You had surgery, you thought it was going to be the end of the world, and it ended up being fine. You're doing really great. Like, your recovery's been great. She doesn't have to wear a brace anymore, officially, even though she hasn't been.
Everybody's like, Brayla, I'm really worried about your knee, but don't worry, guys, I'm good. Don't worry, guys.
Oh. What'd you say?
I said a lot of people are worried about my knee, and they're like, Brayla, your knee, and I'm like, I'm good, guys, don't worry. Like you.
The physical therapist said today that she doesn't need it. Are you telling the truth?
No, remember when literally at my appointment they said 6 weeks. So I went to the trainer. I was wearing my knee brace. I was like, it's 6 weeks. Can I take it off? And they said, let's see your contraction. I don't know what this muscle is called, but let's see your contraction. I did, and they said, you have a good contraction, so you can stop wearing your brace.
Excellent. All right, well, there's the update on Braylee's leg and my eyes.
And I'm getting my license soon.
And Braylee's getting her license soon. Only like 2 years after she could have gotten her license, but
So
it's
I
fine.
can do it, folks.
Better late than never. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.